How to fix Wi-Fi keeps disconnecting on your Android phone. To fix an Android phone that constantly disconnects from Wi-Fi, you want to start by restarting both your phone and router. Now sometimes it can also be a particular setting, so open up Wi-Fi settings, and once you head into it, on the Wi-Fi page, tap on three dots, tap on advanced settings. Here you should be able to find various options, right? So you can see automatically connect to hotspot Wi-Fi 2.0 networks. If you have enabled this, sometimes it automatically switches the network. Sometimes you'll have both the 4G and 5G version of the Wi-Fi connected to, and it'll automatically switch, right? So that way it'll keep disconnecting and connecting. You also want to tap on three dots and you can say intelligent Wi-Fi. So here you can say switch to better Wi-Fi networks. You want to toggle that off as well so that it will not automatically disconnect while you are using it, and that will fix the issue as well. However, if this is enabled, you want to keep it enabled, but that is not the issue, or that is disabled, and if you're still facing this issue, then you'll have to forget the network and reconnect to it. If it can be a network issue, restart the router and phone, and that should fix it.